Radiogiornale Bellunese now airing. Daily news from the Belluno province. Welcome to a new edition of the Radiogiornale Bellunese. These are the news from today, February 1st, 2023. Tragedy in sequels in the Pordenone province. Igor Schiocchet, 45-year-old businessman from Trichiana, died in a helicopter accident. The rescuers arrived on the scene after being notified by someone who had seen the plane losing height, but the crash was fatal. Workplace safety. The Belluno province is the worst in Veneto. This is what appears from the Osservatorio Sicurezza Vega Engineering di Mestre data. In the entire region, in 2022, there have been 113 workplace deaths, 8 more than the year before, making Veneto the second worst region nationally after Lombardy. The Belluno province has a mortality rate of 69.9 deadly injuries every million workers, almost double the national average. There were 9 fatal accidents in 2022, an 80% increase compared to the previous year. A woodcutting firm's owner was committed to trial under the charge of manslaughter. One of his workers, Paolo Marcon, lost his life on April 7, 2022, after being hit in the head and back by a log. He had only been hired for a few days and, according to the prosecutor, he hadn't received the correct safe indications. Sentenced to 6 years of imprisonment, Daniel Onescu, midfielder for Dolomiti Bellunesi. Alongside 4 other football players, at the time registered with Virtus Verona, he was found guilty of sexual assault against a university student. The event dates back to the night between January 18th and 19th, 2020, when 4 of them sexually assaulted the woman after getting her drunk, while the other one filmed. An 18-year-old student of Feltre's Istituto Agrario will be processed for attempted robbery. He is accused of threatening a schoolmate with a knife to having given money. It happened on a bus in May. Finally, sports, football. New forward for Fiori Barp acquired the Spaniard Kevin Aranda. In the top flight, the fullback Nadir Zortea abandons Atalanta and passes to Sassuolo. And that is all for this edition. Wish you a nice day in the company of Radio BM, the Bellunese in Mondo Association's web radio. You just listened to Radiogiornale Bellunese, daily news from the Belluno province.